Welcome to the Northern Mariana Islands, a jewel of the Pacific, a string of emerald isles strung across the vast ocean just north of Guam. Here, volcanic peaks rise from the turquoise depths, fringed by coral reefs teeming with life. This video will take you on a journey through the natural beauty and unique landscapes of these 14 islands, each a world unto itself. From the lush rainforests to the pristine beaches, we'll uncover the hidden wonders that make this archipelago so special. The Northern Mariana Islands are blessed with a tropical climate, a year-round embrace of warmth and sunshine, but this is no monotonous heat, for the islands experience distinct wet and dry seasons, each painting the landscape in its own unique hues. This delicate balance of sun and rain nourishes a remarkable diversity of life. Lush rainforests cloak the volcanic slopes, their canopies alive with the songs of exotic birds. Beneath the waves, coral reefs explode in a riot of color, providing shelter for a dazzling array of marine creatures. From the tiniest insects to the soaring fruit bats, life here thrives in a delicate equilibrium shaped by the rhythms of the tropics.
The beaches of the Northern Mariana Islands are the stuff of dreams. These islands, nestled in the heart of the Pacific Ocean, offer a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Fine, white sand, soft as powdered sugar, stretches along the coastline, inviting visitors to sink their toes into its warmth and forget their worries. Kissed by the crystal-clear waters of the Pacific, the gentle waves create a soothing soundtrack, perfect for relaxation and reflection. Here, the ocean reveals itself in 1,000 shades of blue, each more mesmerizing than the last. The interplay of light and water creates a dazzling display that captivates the senses. From the deep azure of the depths to the brilliant turquoise of the shallows, the colors of the ocean are a painter's palette brought to life. But it's beneath the surface where the true magic lies. The underwater world here is a treasure trove of biodiversity, teeming with life and color. The coral reefs surrounding these islands are some of the most pristine in the world, a vibrant tapestry of life woven over millennia. These reefs are living structures, home to countless marine species, a vibrant tapestry of life woven over millennia. Schools of brightly colored fish dart amongst the coral heads, creating a dynamic and ever-changing underwater landscape. Schools of brightly colored fish dart amongst the coral heads, their movements a ballet of nature. Each species adds its own unique splash of color to the underwater scene, while graceful rays glide effortlessly through the water, their wings moving in a hypnotic rhythm. These majestic creatures are a sight to behold, embodying the grace and beauty of the ocean. Managaha Island, a tiny jewel off the coast of Saipan, is a haven for snorkelers and divers. This small island offers a unique opportunity to explore the underwater world up close. Is a haven for snorkelers and divers, offering a glimpse into this underwater wonderland. The clear waters around Managaha Island provide excellent visibility, making it a perfect spot for underwater exploration, offering a glimpse into this underwater wonderland. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a first-time snorkeler, the vibrant marine life and stunning coral formations will leave you in awe.
The Northern Mariana Islands are a testament to the raw power of nature, born from the depths of the earth in a fiery spectacle of creation. Many of these islands are volcanic in origin, their dramatic landscapes sculpted by ancient eruptions. Anatahan, a small uninhabited island, is a stark reminder of the volatile forces at work beneath the surface. In 2003, the island awoke from its slumber, spewing forth ash and lava in a dramatic display of nature's power. Even today, steam vents and volcanic craters scar the landscape, a testament to the island's fiery heart. These volcanic landscapes, though seemingly barren, possess a stark beauty, their rugged contours softened by the passage of time.
The Northern Mariana Islands are not just a paradise for humans, they are also vital sanctuaries for a wealth of wildlife. The Northern Mariana Islands National Wildlife Refuge, a chain of protected areas spanning several islands, provides a haven for a remarkable array of species. Here, migratory birds, exhausted from their long journeys across the Pacific, find rest and refuge amongst the island's lush vegetation. Endangered species, such as the Mariana fruit bat, with its distinctive black wings and golden fur, cling to survival in these protected enclaves. The island's forests echo with the calls of endemic birds, their songs a symphony of the wild. From the tiniest insects to the largest seabirds, life here persists in a delicate balance, a testament to the importance of conservation.
Rota, the southernmost of the Mariana Islands, is a place where time seems to stand still. Here, ancient limestone caves, carved by centuries of erosion, whisper tales of a time long past. Within their cool, dark depths, prehistoric Chamorro petroglyphs, intricate carvings etched into the rock, offer a glimpse into the lives and beliefs of the island's earliest inhabitants. Above ground, untouched forests cloak the island's interior, their emerald canopies home to a symphony of birdsong. Remote beaches, their sands undisturbed save for the footprints of the occasional sea turtle, offer a sense of tranquility rarely found in the modern world. Rota is a place for quiet contemplation, a place to reconnect with nature and delve into the rich tapestry of history.
Saipan, the largest of the Mariana Islands, is a place of dramatic contrasts. This island, with its rich history and vibrant culture, offers a unique blend of natural beauty and human heritage. From the moment you arrive, the island's stunning landscapes captivate your senses, drawing you into a world where nature's raw power and serene beauty coexist in perfect harmony. Towering cliffs plunge into the turquoise depths, their rugged faces sculpted by the relentless pounding of the waves. These cliffs, standing as silent sentinels, tell the story of the island's geological past, shaped over millennia by the forces of nature. The dramatic interplay between land and sea creates a mesmerizing spectacle that leaves visitors in awe. Bird Island, a tiny islet just offshore, rises from the sea like a verdant emerald, its slopes teeming with nesting seabirds. This sanctuary is a haven for wildlife, offering a glimpse into the island's rich biodiversity. The sight of these birds soaring gracefully above the island adds a touch of magic to the already enchanting landscape. The grotto, a submerged limestone cavern, beckons divers with its promise of otherworldly beauty. This natural wonder, with its intricate formations and crystal-clear waters, is a paradise for underwater explorers. The sense of adventure and discovery that comes with diving into the grotto is unparalleled, making it a must-visit for any diving enthusiast. Sunlight filters through the water, illuminating the cavern's depths in an ethereal blue light. This magical interplay of light and water creates a surreal atmosphere, transforming the cavern into an underwater cathedral. The experience of swimming through this illuminated space is both tranquil and exhilarating, offering a unique perspective on the island's natural beauty. Above ground, Saipan's beaches are equally captivating. The island's coastline is dotted with pristine beaches, each offering its own unique charm. Whether you're looking to relax on the soft sands or take a dip in the clear waters, Saipan's beaches provide the perfect setting for a day of leisure and enjoyment. Ladder Beach, accessible only by a steep, ladder-like path, rewards visitors with its secluded beauty. This hidden gem, tucked away from the more frequented spots, offers a sense of tranquility and seclusion. The effort to reach this beach is well worth it, as visitors are greeted with stunning views and a peaceful atmosphere. Oceania Beach, with its long stretch of powdery sand and crystal-clear waters, is the perfect place to relax and soak up the sun. This beach is a favorite among locals and tourists alike, offering a serene environment for sunbathing, swimming, and simply enjoying the natural beauty of Saipan. Saipan is an island of endless possibilities, a place where adventure and relaxation go hand in hand. Whether you're exploring the rugged cliffs, diving into underwater caverns, or lounging on the pristine beaches, Saipan offers a diverse range of experiences that cater to every type of traveler. This island paradise invites you to discover its many wonders and create unforgettable memories.
Tinian, an island forever etched in history as the launch site for the atomic bombs that ended World War II, is a place where the past casts a long shadow. The echoes of that fateful moment still linger, a poignant reminder of the island's significant role in shaping global history. Yet Tinian is more than just a historical footnote. It is a living, breathing testament to resilience and renewal. But beyond the remnants of war, a different Tinian emerges, an island of unexpected beauty. The lush landscapes and vibrant flora paint a picture of life that has flourished despite the scars of the past. The island's natural beauty is a stark contrast to its historical significance, offering a serene escape from the weight of its history. Tinian's North Field, once a bustling airfield, is now a tranquil expanse of green, the silence broken only by the sound of the wind whistling through the tall grass. This field, which once saw the hustle and bustle of wartime activity, now stands as a peaceful reminder of how time can transform even the most tumultuous places into havens of tranquility. The island's beaches, some of the most pristine in the Pacific, stretch for miles, their white sands lapped by crystal-clear waters. These beaches are not just a visual delight, but also a sanctuary for those seeking solace and a connection with nature. The gentle waves and the endless horizon create a sense of timelessness, inviting visitors to pause and reflect. Inland, unique limestone forests, their gnarled trees draped in vines, provide a haven for a variety of wildlife. These forests are a world unto themselves, teeming with life and offering a glimpse into the island's rich biodiversity. The intertwining vines and ancient trees tell stories of endurance and adaptation, mirroring the island's own journey through time. Tinian is a place of reflection, a reminder that even in the darkest of times, beauty and hope can endure. As the sun sets over the island, casting a golden glow over the landscape, one can't help but feel a sense of peace and renewal. Tinian stands as a testament to the resilience of nature and the enduring spirit of its people, offering a poignant message of hope and transformation.
In conclusion, the Northern Mariana Islands provide a unique blend of natural beauty, cultural history, and outdoor adventure. Whether you're interested in hiking through lush rainforests, exploring ancient Chamorro sites, or diving in vibrant coral reefs, these islands offer a remarkable Pacific escape. From the volcanic peaks of Anatahan to the pristine beaches of Saipan, the Northern Mariana Islands offer a glimpse into a world untouched by time. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Northern Mariana Islands. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel content.